Hello all. In this section, we are going to view Intercom. Touch panels with Core 4.0 operating system offer IP-based intercom calls using SIP 2.0 communication protocol. SIP 2.0 peer-to-peer intercom calls can be generated without need of SIP server. Touch panels can be added as a user to SIP server if a SIP server is used in the project. Touch panels with Core 4.0 operating system can recognize each other with multicasting technology when connected to same local network. In this way, Core touch panels automatically registered to each other's contacts. It facilitates commissioning process, especially in large-scale residential projects. This is the section where intercom settings of touch panel are configured. Enter the name you want touch panel to be displayed in the contacts of other touch panels. If you want touch panel to be displayed in contacts of other touch panels, you can turn on automatic contact synchronization. If a SIP server is used, enter IP address of SIP server. Select transport type and enter username and password created for touch panel on SIP server. Click button to save changes. It is the section where contact is added to intercom contacts of touch panel. Click plus button to add a new contact. On the opening page, enter name, icon, and IP address of the contact. Choose contact type. If contact is an outdoor station and has a camera, enter RTSP and snapshot URL. RTSP URL is used to display camera before call is answered when a call received from outdoor station. When the call is answered, video received from RTSP URL is interrupted, and video and audio are received over SIP protocol. Snapshot URL is used to display the picture of visitor at missed calls in call history. If you want to add an action for contact, click Add Action button. Action types that can be added are DTMF command, HTTP request, and an accessory action of CoreOS operating system. These actions can be used during call with the contact. If you want to use these actions without call, you can mark them shortcut. In this case, action is displayed in the Intercom Shortcuts widget on the dashboard of user interface. Click button to save changes. This type of contact is used when it is wanted to receive video from an external source. By checking Display Camera View on Call, the video received during the call will continue via RTSP URL. In this section, you can edit previously added contacts. Click on the button shown in the Operations column of the contact you want to edit. You can edit contact information on this page. In this section, you can delete previously added contacts. Click on the button shown in the Operations column of the contact you want to delete. Contact will be deleted after confirming delete process in the confirmation box. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.